Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this semicircle cake design. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. This semicircle cake design pin can be used for purse cakes, rainbow cakes, and just half cakes. So you start off with a cake. I've already baked and filled my cake, and I'm going to cut it in half. So about there, isn't it? Okay, so I'm going to cut it. You can cut it as big as you want or as small as you want. It doesn't have to be half, but I'm showing you how to do a half one because it depends on the design you want. Some people just cut this part because it's a bit curved, so it won't sit flat on the plate. So you can cut just to make it flat, and it depends what design you want to make. Okay, so I'm doing the semicircle one. So I'm going to put this cake to the side. This cake is my wonderful lemon cake with lemon curd and lemon buttercream. Next step is to crumb coat the cake. Crumb coating helps any designs sit on the cake. So I'm going to, another thing you want, if you just want it nice and simple, I'm going to loosen this because I put some buttercream on earlier so that it sits on the cake and it doesn't move around. So you could just put it like that, okay? This is the semicircle cake design. I'm going to crumb coat it. I'll crumb coat it while it's like this. I've already made some buttercream. I made pineapple buttercream for this one. Crumb coats are very useful for stopping crumbs from going onto the outside of your cake, of your final design, and also to help make your design stick to the cake better. If you don't crumb coat it, you'll notice that some decorations will fall off the side of your cake. And I'm going to put some crumb coat on the front of the cake. You can be as creative as you like with this. You can add, for rainbow cakes, I've noticed some people put Skittles or some colorful sweets. So you separate them according to color. Then once you've crumb coated, you can put them along the cake in order. Okay, for this one, I've crumb coated it, and from now it's a blank canvas. You can decorate it any way you want. You can make it look like a purse or anything. So I've got this 2D nozzle, Wilton 2D nozzle. And I'm going to pipe on the side like that. Start at the bottom, okay, like that. Piping on the side is a bit trickier than just piping straight down onto a cake. But it can be done. Okay, and then I'm going to turn it and pipe as well from the bottom. Okay, so now I'm going to do the curved part. I'm just going to keep with the same decorating technique all over the cake. You see, when you're piping on the top, it's a lot easier and your icing just settles easier. Then on the side, you have to make sure your nose is almost touching the cake so that it stays on the cake. And the good thing about this is if you do make a mistake, you can scrape off the icing and start all over again. You can leave it like this, which makes it very nice and pretty, or add some sprinkles on top, which I'm going to do. You can add some on the top, and if you can, just throw some on the side like this. You can put sprinkles on the side of the cake by just throwing them on like that. Okay, nice and simple. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.